and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to be learning some top-notch secrets on how to improve our designs. So the free giveaway for today is how to enhance your pictures. As graphic designers, video editors, we'll be using some images that are low in quality. So you want to enhance them to make them more sharper and more clearer. So we make use of this app called Remini. You can see it right here. So we launch it. So when we launch the app, you click on enhance. You want to enhance this picture, and you can see up here you are allowed to enhance 5 pictures per day. If you want more than that, you need to subscribe for a paid version. So we click on enhance. So it takes us into our gallery where I'm going to select the picture that I want to use for this project. Where is that picture? Where are you? So let me enhance this. So then I will click on this mark, and you can see it's writing an ad will display while your tags being processed. So it means it's going to display an ad for the, you can see now, here is the ad. So you need to be patient for this ad to finish playing before you go away from that page. And it's going to bring a cancel button right somewhere at the top here. We are waiting for that now to show before we proceed on that. So this is what you pay for, a free software. So if you don't want to be seeing all this, it means you have to subscribe for the paid version. So it's true. So I'm going to click on this cancel button here. Now you can see it's trying to load our result. The result of our enhanced picture. Wow. Here we go. You can see. Look at the picture before enhancement and look at it right after it's been enhanced. When you zoom in here, you can see the difference. Wow, guys, this is a great instrument for those of us that are editing, that are into graphic designing. So here we go. You can see that. So if you are pleased with this enhancement, you can now download. You can see the download button up here. You can download. And if you are not satisfied, if you wanted to see enhance this more further, you can do that by enhancing for the second time by clicking on this second enhancement here. But I think I'm okay with this, so I will download. I click on download. You can see it's saving. Now it's playing ad again, but this ad is very short. The cancel button again, you can see it up here. I can click on cancel. Now my image is saved, so I can now share the image to whatever document that I want to use it, and it's going to be right there on my folder. So thank you. Please hit the subscribe button to get top-notch secrets like this, and click on the notification bell so that when we have more of this kind of video come up, you are going to be notified as soon as they are out. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.